Hello everyone, welcome to Taxcel Guidelines. Ever thought of making your tax calculations in one click? Well, we have just the best thing for you. Our income tax calculator. This is a calculator designed for a salaried person. As you can see, I have taken some of the fields related to salary. For example, gross salary. It is the base on which your annual income tax is calculated. As you can see, if I input the gross salary in the gross salary cell, the calculator will automatically calculate the annual income tax as well as monthly. Now let's input monthly gross salary so we can see how this calculator will work. For example, I have inputted 51,000 and the starting month of my income tax calculation will be July. From July to June it will be 12 months. 51,000 on 51,000 you can see the monthly payment of income tax is 25 rupees and annual payment is 300 rupees. Now you can see there is a bonus feature in this calculator. The bonus feature of this calculator will work the reverse tax working. How? I will input the annual income tax figure which I desire. I will input the same figure as I got it from my other working, 300, and now you can see that I got the same monthly salary as above. That means this calculator is working fine when I am doing the reverse working. Now I will change the figure to see whether this calculator is perfectly doing the work that I needed from it. Now I have inputted 6,000 income tax annually. Now I want to check this on my normal income tax calculator. As you can see, I have got the same figures both on reverse tax working and normal tax working. Now I want to change the months. Now I want months to be started from November. That will be 8 months calculation. Or I can take it from September. According to that month, the tax calculator will automatically calculate the income tax. Now let's see on the reverse calculation. If I have taken 2500 and month starting from September, as you can see, both calculations of gross salary are same, 70,000 each. So if anyone of you want this calculator, please like, share, and most importantly subscribe the channel to have this calculator, or you can comment on this video to have the calculator. Thank you.